Sometimes when you go to use ChatGPT, you may get a message saying an error occurred. That is of course a pretty generic error, doesn't tell us too much about what the culprit could be. So in this video we'll be going over the most basic troubleshooting steps you can take to try and find said culprit. One of the biggest reasons why this could be happening is the service being overloaded or down entirely. If you go to this website right here, it will tell you exactly what the status of OpenAI servers are and if the services are functioning or not. Usually when a new version of ChatGPT launches, for example, the servers see a lot of additional load, which may cause some users to error out like this. And there can also be other planned or unplanned maintenance as well, so it's best to check the website and see exactly if the services are up and running or not. It can also be your internet connection, so first and foremost, see if literally any other website works for you. If you are getting a connection, it could be that it's just simply not fast enough for ChatGPT, so what you can do is use a website like speedtest.net to see if you're getting sufficient speeds. If everything is alright but it still isn't working for you, then what you can do is just try to delete the cookies of ChatGPT and see if that helps. The method differs slightly depending on which browser you use, so let's just stick to Chrome. What you want to do is click on this icon left of the URL at the very top. Then click on cookies and then head into the manage section. Then in this pop-up, make sure to delete all the cookies that appear there. Then you simply refresh the website and see if that helps. Another thing that could be causing it is certain third-party add-ons, like for example VPNs. So if you're using one, make sure to turn it off. Again, in Chrome, the easiest way of doing that is just to go into your extensions by clicking on this puzzle icon in the top right, then clicking on your VPN and making sure it's disabled. Now there's plenty of different ways of accessing ChatGPT, so if one of them isn't working for you, you can always try something else. You can try it on a different device, or you can try just using the ChatGPT app as well on your mobile devices and maybe seeing if that helps. And it's available on both Android and iOS. If none of that helped and you just gave it some time to see if maybe it fixes itself after a while, if there is some issue on the side of OpenAI, you could just try and contact them and see if they'll be able to offer you any additional support and explain the troubleshooting steps you've taken so far to ensure that they will be able to give you the best possible help. So what you want to do is go to this website right here and you can get in contact with someone at OpenAI where they can help you troubleshoot. So that's just some of the basic troubleshooting steps you can take to try and troubleshoot an error occurred message that you can sometimes get on ChatGPT. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.